Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Honor Pad 8. So you have to start with opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and then click on settings. Now click on Google Assistant and then click on Hey Google and voice match. Now click get started, then click I agree again, then click next, and now click on retrain voice match model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click next, and now click back and click on lock screen. Now click here to make sure that this first option stays on, and now let's check if my Google Assistant works on lock screen. Okay Google, and as you can see my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.